Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to fix Gmail not receiving emails. If you've been missing important messages or wondering why certain emails aren't showing up in your inbox, this guide will help you identify and resolve the issue quickly. First, open your web browser and navigate to mail.google.com. Once you're there, sign into your Gmail account if you haven't already. Make sure you're using the correct credentials for the account where you're experiencing issues with missing emails. After signing in, look toward the top right corner of your screen where you'll see the settings icon, which looks like a gear. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, select See All Settings. This will take you to the full settings page where you can access all of Gmail's configuration options. Once you're in the settings menu, navigate to the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. This is a crucial section because it shows you all the rules you've set up that automatically handle incoming emails. Filters can be incredibly useful, but sometimes they work too well and end up hiding emails you actually want to see. Take a moment to carefully review the filters listed here. Look for any that might be automatically archiving, deleting, or forwarding emails from senders you're expecting to hear from. These filters could be the reason you're not seeing certain messages in your inbox. If you spot a filter that's incorrectly moving or deleting important emails, simply click Delete next to it. Removing problematic filters will allow those emails to flow normally into your inbox again. Next, scroll down within the same tab until you reach the section labeled "The following email addresses are blocked." This area shows you a list of any email addresses you've previously blocked, either intentionally or accidentally. Sometimes, a sender gets blocked by mistake, and their emails stop coming through entirely. Check this list carefully to see if any important sender addresses appear here. If you find a sender you actually want to receive emails from, click Unblock next to their address. This will immediately allow their messages to reach your inbox again. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and fix the most common reasons why Gmail might not be receiving emails. Thanks for watching.